Now we open circuit voltage, we connect a capacitive filter, 470 microfarad and 25 volt. The output voltage is 14.38. This is the open circuit voltage. We are not connect any load resistance at that particular time. Now we use the resistance in the bridge rectifier circuit. We are using a filter capacitor. The capacitor value is 470 microfarad 25 volt and the load resistance is 47 ohm. And in this particular case the output voltage is 9.83 volt DC and AC voltage is 0.883 volt, 0.883 or 5 volt, 0.885 volt, and the particular case the output current is 206.9 milliamps, 207.3 milliamps. Now we can be use a capacitor as 470 microfarad 25 volt and load resistance is 69 ohm and the output voltage is 9.66, 9.66 or 67 and AC refill factor at that time drastically fall 0.67, just 0.67 volt and the current is 139.1 milliamps and the output voltage across the capacitor, this is the output voltage across the capacitor, just we can just measure it. This is in the 5 volt position, this is the 5 volt position and this is the point we can set here and this point we can measure the DC average value. This is the DC average value near about 5 plus 5 near about 9 or 10, near about 9.5, near about this is the DC average value from ground level to this is the ground level and this ground level to average position, this average position, this is in refill charging and discharging curve of the capacitor, this is the charging and discharging curve of the capacitor. This average value is near about 9 volt, near about 9 volt or 9.5 volt. Now we can change the resistance 75 ohms and this is the output voltage, DC voltage 9.78 volt and AC at that time AC is 0.511 and the current is 124 or 125 milliamps and this is the output curve. Now the load resistance is 82 ohms and the DC output voltage is 10.93 and AC voltage is 0.60 or 0.598 and the current is 129 point the current 131 milliamps, 131 milliamps. Now connective capacitive filter, the capacitor value is 470 microfarad 25 volt and we also connect a load resistance 100 ohms and now the output voltage is 10.61 and AC refill at that time AC refill is near about 0.379 volt and the current is 88.6 milliamps and this is the filter output. This is the filter output. Output voltage is, just a minute, near about 1.5 volt, near about 1.5 volt. This is the DC level, this is the DC level and this is the filter output. Now we are using the 120 ohms load resistance, and the output voltage DC voltage is 8.18, and the AC voltage is 4.36. AC voltage is 4.36, and the output current is 70 milliamps. The output current is 70 milliamps. And now again we connect a 470 ohms load resistance. The output voltage is 11.555, and AC ripple is 0.196, and the output current is 40 to 43.2. This is the output wave is here. And again we can change the 270 ohms. We just connect a 220 ohm as a load resistance. The output voltage is 10.45, and the current is 88.7. Now we connect the 470 ohms resistance. The output at that time, the output voltage is 12.26, and the current is 26.6 milliamps, and this is the output wave shape. This is the output wave shape. This is the DC level. And this is the output wave shape. Output wave shape is totally changed. Now this is the filter using a filter capacitor. The capacitor value is 470 microfarad, 25 volt, and the load resistance is 560 ohms. The load resistance is 560 ohms. At that particular using this load resistance, the output voltage is DC voltage 13.17, and the AC voltage now the 0.120 or 0.118, and the current at that particular point is 23.1 milliamps. In the bridge rectifier circuit, we change the resistance, and now we using a resistance 680 ohms, and the capacitor value is 470 microfarad, 25 volt, and that particular using this load resistance, the DC voltage is 13.3, and the AC voltage is 0.102 volt, and the particular using this load resistance, the current is 20 milliamps. Now we connect a load resistance in 820 ohms resistance, and capacitor is 470 microfarad, 25 volt, and the output voltage is 12.44, and current is 15.3 microamps, and the ripple factor at that particular point is 0.075. Now we change the load resistance. Now we using this load resistance is 1 kilo ohm basically, and in this particular case, the output voltage is DC voltage is near about 14 or 13.98 volt, and AC voltage is 0.007 volt, 0.007 volt, and the output current is 1.6 milliamps, 1.6 milliamps. In this particular experiment, this is line regulation with filter capacitor. The capacitor value is 470 microfarad, 25 volt, and the load resistance value is 69 ohm. Now we set this is a variac. We set a variac in 100 volt. 100 volt. Input voltage is 100 volt. And this variac output is we connected to the transformer input. This is the transformer input, means transformer primary section. And now the output voltage is at this particular point 3.86. And now we vary the input voltage. Now the input voltage is 110. The output is 4.37. The input voltage is 120. The output voltage is 4.7 volt. And the input voltage is 130. The output voltage is 5.21. The input voltage is 140. The output voltage is 5.56. The input voltage is 150. The output voltage is 5.95. The input voltage is 160. The output voltage is 6.43. The input voltage is 170. The output voltage is 6.81. The input voltage is 180. The output voltage is 7.22. The input voltage is 190. The output voltage is 7.63. The input voltage is 200. The output voltage is 7.92. The input voltage is 210. Our output voltage is 8.26. The input voltage is 220. The output voltage is 8.76. The input voltage is 230. The output voltage is 9.10. The input voltage is 240. The output voltage is 9.59. The input voltage is 245. The output voltage is 10.11. Okay, thank you.